Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, it's Tuesday the 15th, and we're in Tesla. Um, so here we go. What do we got going on here? We have sell signal in the 15-minute with the bull flag. We have a buy signal in the 5-minute, and we got a mess in the 1-minute yet. We will see what she does. Grandpa was anticipating some higher prices today, probably the 224, 225 area. I think we're probably going to, just Grandpa's opinion, but I think we might close up around 224 today. And we shall see. Okay, Jeff says, good morning from Hopkins, Minnesota, Grandpa. He's up there at Super Value unloading his goods up in Minnesota. I've been there many times to that place. It's quite a place. Big distribution center type deal. Oh, let's see. What do we got going here? Yeah, buy signal, and current price is 219.90, 219.85 area, and oh man, sell signal I believe in the 1-minute, buy signal in the 5. Sell signal in the 15-minute. If you want to check your lag, I got the clock up. Lag is the difference between when you hear Grandpa and when Grandpa's actually saying it. And if you have over a 1-minute lag, I would recommend you don't trade Grandpa's buy and sell signals. Most of the guys got 15 seconds lag, 30-second lag. But if it's over a minute, the stock can move a long ways in a minute. So, yeah, we have a sell signal in the 1-minute, a sell signal in the 15-minute, and we still have a buy signal in the 5-minute. And looks like we might get a golden cross here shortly. We're still under a death cross in the 5-minute. It is a whopping 41 degrees here, and blustery and windy, and the leaves are blowing off the trees. And check your lag. It's going to be a wild day today in Tesla, as always. The excitement never ends in Tesla. Optimus is coming to town. We'll be looking at Optimus pretty soon. He's going to mow Grandpa's yard and do the dishes and vacuum. He's going to drive Grandpa around in his Tesla car. Oh boy, this is so exciting. Yeah, we're pretty much just kind of moving straight sideways. 11 minutes to the regular open. They let's see, they went down this morning to 216. I'll tell you, these guys that get to trade early in the morning got it going on here lately. They're they hit the quarters. Yeah, 216 they went down to at what time? 4:35 a.m. They took her right down there. They gave Grandpa his opening price already. I might get it again too. 218.30. Oh, yesterday I goofed up. Jeff caught it. I said we had $11.63 range from high to low. Well, it was only $8.63 from high to low yesterday. You know, Grandpa can't add and subtract very good. And I was eating barbecue ribs while I was calculating it. Adding and subtracting it. And so he pointed out that I got it wrong. We're going straight up here. We have a buy signal in the 5-minute with a sell in the 15, and we do have a buy in the 1 minute now. The 1 minute's going up. So we have a buy in the 1 and the 5. We do have a buy in the 1 and the 5. We're 9 minutes to the open. The 15-minute, however, is still a sell signal. And she's going straight up. Straight up. How high will she go? I do not know. But it is going up. 220.40. Oh boy, we're making money now. Oh, we're making money. I better ring a bell. Hang on, I will. That bell says we're making money. Oh boy. Well, on a Thursday, Grandpa's going to be doing the hayride in his pickup. I got about 25 kids, children. And we'll be going out across the pastures and the fields. And we don't really have hay in the pickup, but we call it a hayride. Buy signal in the 5-minute and the 1 minute. And so they'll all pile in the back of Grandpa's pickup, and then we go drive around, look at the leaves and the apple trees and the fields. We only go, 5 miles an hour, but Grandpa don't have a muffler, so I put it in neutral and rev up the motor, They like that. Sometimes they all take turns driving. When we get out in the field, they get to steer the pickup. And it's a learning experience for Grandpa. And then we sing songs. We sing all kinds of songs and have fun. So I get to do that on Thursday at 1 o'clock. And then I think they have hot dogs and s'mores and all that kind of stuff the little ones get to eat. And it's just what we do. So Grandpa's going to be having fun on Thursday. Oh, tomorrow's Wednesday, so I got another day or so. Yeah, it's supposed to warm up here. By Thursday, we're going to have 65 degrees. So, okay, 6 minutes to the open. We have a buy in the 1 minute and a buy in the 5 minute. Nothing but a buy. Oh man, how high will she go? Well, it'd be nice if it just went up to 299. You know, I haven't mentioned it because I don't talk too much about the blinking, but for the last 3-4 days, they have been doing some shorting at a weird number up above. And I hate to even mention it because I don't want people to think I'm crazy. But they've been shorting up at $363 for no good reason that Grandpa can figure out. You know, we've been going straight down. Why are they up there shorting at 300? You know, and they're not doing a whole lot of it. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I 220.50 is the current price. We're 4 minutes to the open. We're under a buy signal currently in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And that's all I know about that. I'll put my clock up for just a little while. If you want to check lag, go for it. Pretty quiet. Grandma's in the basement wrapping up packages. Grandpa's got the hiccups. Grandpa's tired. I'm just tired. That's just the way it is. Okay, 220.55 area. 220.50. Buy signal in the 1 minute, buy signal in the 5 minute. That's what it says. It's what it says. 3 minutes to the open. And we're off to the races here. They're going to ring that bell in less than 3 minutes. Still a buy in the 1 minute and the 5 minute. We still are under a sell signal in the 15 minute. That's what we got going on here. The 1 minute might be giving us a sell here. We have a sell in the 15. It's still too early to tell. Another 10 seconds here. We might have a sell in the 1 minute. Still a buy in the 5 minute. They sure like to give mixed signals. It's just phenomenal. Yeah, we have a sell signal in the 1 minute. And we're just on the verge of getting a golden cross here in the 5 minute, potentially. We're back down to 219.95. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute and a buy signal in the 5 minute. And we have a sell signal in the 15 minute. She's dropped back about 60 cents. 1 minute to the open. Oh, the excitement is building. Where will Tesla go today? I don't know. It's going to go to Mars. I don't know. I just rather stay in my living room in my chair, my rocking chair. Oh, we're rocking and rolling here. Sell signal into 1 minute. Buy in 5 minute with red candle. Going down, down and up and all around. Still under a sell in the 15 and the 1 with a buy in the 5. So we got mixed signals here. She's going back up. Up and down and all around. She's heading up the bunny trail 220.90 and climbing 220.95. This bus is going straight up. Buy signal in the 15, buy signal in the 5 minute. The 1 minute still a sell signal, but the 5 and 15 are buys. She is going up, up, up and away. 220.30, 222.30 new high. It's making new highs so fast I can hardly keep track of it. Look at it go straight up. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm going to prepare to sell shares. In case it keeps going up. Oh, I guess I don't need to do that. Okay, 222.60, new high. Buy signal in the 5 minute, buy signal in the 15, and sell signal in the 1 minute still as it goes to the moon. I like it much better when they're all in agreement, but the 5 minutes a good chart. Usually the best. You know, maybe it's confusing if I keep talking about that 1 minute. Let me know what you think. Would you rather just hear about the 5 minute and the 15 minute? A little bit higher time frames? Or do you like knowing when the 1 minute switches every few minutes back and forth? She is going up. How high will she go? I do not know. She's heading for the 220. We got 223.70. You know what? I don't know. Grandpa said we were probably going to close above 224 today. But it's early yet. Grandpa might not be right. Grandpa might be right. I don't even know how Grandpa knows stuff. I'm trying to figure it out. We'll see. It ain't done it yet. Oh boy. Yeah, I I think we're going to start tapering off some tomorrow. We got earnings coming up here, I believe next Wednesday for Tesla. And I think we might have an opportunity to go the other direction. Buy signal in the 5-minute and the 15-minute. We're under buy signal. Buy. She's going straight up. 224.10. 224.10 new high. Grandpa was thinking that we might break through 225 today. That's what I said in my last live stream. Last night, Grandpa said everything that's happening right now, and it wasn't even a prediction. It was just what Grandpa thought. Oh, we have a golden cross. Got it right at the open. And so far, we've got about $5 out of that thing, so it could be over before it starts. She's coming back down some. Still a buy in the 5-minute and the 15-minute. Looks like we might be getting another sell signal in the 1-minute, potentially. Too early to know. It's too early. It's a baby candle. Oh. Yeah, 223. New high today at 224.26. How high will they push Tesla today? That is the question. That is the question. Yeah, 224.26. New high of the day. Boy, now we're all wishing we would have loaded up down there at 213.74 yesterday. 214 area. Oh boy. Yeah, we're looking pretty so far. Buy signal in the 5 and the 15. And a fake out in the 1-minute. Okay, 20 seconds and we'll know if we have a sell signal in the 1-minute again. Let's see, this Golden Cross, 219. Yeah, about $5.30 we got on this Golden Cross so far. Will we get more? I don't know. I do not know. I do know that we got a sell signal in the 1-minute. She's going to come down some here for a little bit. But we still have a strong buy in the 5 and the 15. So we're not done rocking and rolling yet. Buy in the 5-minute, buy in the 15. And we have a sell in the 1 minute. I think she's just building up some steam before it takes off, up or down. Oh, man. Sell signal in the 1 minute. She's going to come down a little bit here. She dropped back a few bucks here. Yeah, 224.26. Maybe that's it for the day. I was thinking it would do a little more than that. I thought 225. They were doing a lot of shorting at 225.57. The day ain't over yet. That whale alerts, that whale deal expires this Friday. It's a sweep, and they've got a strike price of 225. 225, and they ain't hit it yet. They claim within 74 cents of it. They got to go through it. Sell signal in the 1 minute, buy in the 5, and a buy in. I'm on the 5 minute chart, by the way. This is the 5 minute candle chart, Heikin ASHI. We have a buy signal. We have a golden cross. We have a buy signal in the 15 minute. The dominant trend is still down. We're still looking for a new bottom pivot point. And, is that 213.74 going to be our new bottom pivot point? I don't really think so. I think it's going to go lower. But Grandpa could be wrong. You never know. One thing I know about Tesla, you can expect the unexpected. Sell signal in the 1 minute, buy signal in the 5, buy signal in the 15. She's coming back up. We're getting, okay, now we might be whistling Dixie. We're getting a buy signal in the 1 minute also. So now we'd have all three of them a buy signal. That would be nice for a change. Oh, let's see. Another 15 seconds, I can call it. We're borderline on getting a buy in the 1 minute. We got a buy in the 5, and we got a buy in the 15. Okay, we got a buy in all three. Oh boy, I'm going to ring the bell. That means we have a buy signal in the 1, the 5, and the 15. The excitement is building at Tesla. It is building. Let's look at the 30 minute. Oh, the 30 minute is a buy signal. Look at this thing go. We have a buy signal here in the 30 minute. I'll make it bigger so you can see that pretty candle. Look at that thing. Yeah, we're under a buy in the 30, the 15, the 5, and the 1 minute. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, my deal is off to the side. Okay, yeah, we have a buy in the hourly. Okay, so we have a buy signal in everything from the hourly down to the 1 minute. And we're borderline on getting a buy signal in the 4 hour. We won't know until noon in that bigger time frame, but we do have that potential. So I'll put it back on the 5 minute. Here's the 5 minute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just when things were looking wonderful, they do the misdirection. How old's that candle? It's a baby candle yet. Yeah, we have a buy in the 1 minute with a bear flag is what we got. And we're still under a buy in the 5 and the 15. This red candle here in the 5 minute looks ominous, but it's a baby candle. It's only a minute old. We don't even know what color it's going to be for 3 minutes. Boy. And we have a buy in the 1 minute with a bear flag. That tells Grandpa's just going to retrace a little and head back up the bunny trail. That's what it tells Grandpa. It tells Grandpa it's a buying opportunity. So that's what it does. Yeah, it's blowing like a hurricane out there. I suppose we got 20, 30 mile an hour winds, 40 degrees. I'll put the... We got to wait another minute and a half to know if this is a sell signal in the 5 minute. It might be. I'll put the clock up if you want to check your lag. See how long between Grandpa talking and when you can hear Grandpa. Jeff says all these buy signals and no upward movement. That's the way it is. Yeah, we're getting a bear flag in 1 minute. It's nasty. And let's see, another 30 seconds or so, we may have a sell signal in the 5 minute. It would be our first sell signal of the day in the 5 minute. Probably just gonna move sideways anyway. She's a war. They're fighting it out. It's like watching little army men fighting up and down. Who's gonna win? The bulls or the bears? Who will win the war? Okay, so what do we got here? It'd help if Grandpa could see the clock. Yeah, we have a buy signal in the 1 minute, but it looks like we will get... I don't want to call this 5 minute yet because it's just not looking we're going straight back up. We got that buy signal in the 15, the 30, and the hourly, and in the 1 minute. 1 minute. I normally would call this a cell signal in the 5-minute, but I just don't want to currently because it could switch to green yet. It could, and it just did. What a, I had to go within 5 seconds of it. You see that? Grandpa didn't call that 5-minute a cell signal. I had to wait till the end of the clock. 4 minutes, the last 5 seconds she gave us green. But that candle faked a few people out. We are going straight up. We're back up to 223, 35, 50 area. Oh boy, the excitement is building. And building and building. She's going up. Yeah, if you listen to Grandpa's last live stream, Grandpa mentioned about 10 times that we're probably going to close up in the 224 area today, and I anticipated breaking through 225 at some point today. Oh, why, I don't know. I can't remember why. Grandpa doesn't remember stuff. Oh, Jeff is going from bad to worse. Well, what happened now? We're going straight up. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and the hourly. That's what we got. Oh, Grandpa's waiting for an opportunity to sell some shares and go short. I want to sell up there at 299 and go short. Oh, Grandpa, it's not going to go to 299. Anything is possible with Tesla. We're at 223.90 right now. That's only another $70 or so. Buy signal in the 1 minute, buy signal in the 5, buy signal in the 15, buy in the 30, buy in the hourly, buy. Oh, I want to buy some shares. Okay, Grandpa's going to start putting in sell signal. Sell. Grandpa wants to put in some sells. I think I'll put some in at 225.25. And I think I'll put some in at 225.75. I wonder if this thing's going to break through 227. It's possible. I mean, it's just rocking and rolling. Up and down, 224.25, new high of the day. Yep, rare. Oh boy, she's looking pretty. Buy signal in the 5, 15, and the 30. The hourly's a buy. What's from bad to worse there, Mr. Mum? What are you talking about? What happened? Yeah, when she dips back, you want to jump all over this bus and buy more shares. Then when it goes up, you want to sell them. Then you'll make more money. That's what you do. Grandpa just tells you what's going on with the candles. We have a cell signal in the 1 minute again. So we might get a little retracement here. But we have a buy in the 5, the 15, the 30, and the hourly. However, we do have a sell in the 1 minute. We have a sell in the 1 minute. That's what we got right now. She's coming back down. Think of this as a buying opportunity. When it gets down to 214, buy some shares and then resell them up above. Grandpa's being facetious. From bad to worse. You gotta have a strong constitution to be able to listen to Grandpa for a couple hours. I can't even hardly stand listening to Grandpa rattle away. I'm trying to figure out what Jeff's talking about from bad to worse. What happened? Did you push the wrong button? Or are you having trouble on getting your load up at Super Value in Hopkins? Sell signal in the 1 minute, a buy in the 5, the 15, the 30, and the hourly. That's all I know about that. Okay, so being we have a sell signal in that 1 minute, DLA always wants Grandpa to go on break and then get warm coffee. My coffee's cold. I'll go get some hot coffee and maybe we'll get a rally. Usually rallies when Grandpa leaves. Sell in the 1 minute, buying everything else. That's what's going on. Okay, I'll be back in 3-4 minutes. We have a golden cross, and it's looking pretty today. Oh, Tesla always looks pretty. Maybe I should just be on there and be irritated now. I am irritated. Huh? Yeah, that's more my personality. Well, the good news is we have a buy signal in the 1 minute. And we still have a buy signal in the 5 minute with a bear flag. And we have a buy signal in the 15 and the 30 and the hourly. And we have a golden cross. And we're at 221.75 area. And rising slowly. 10:03. We're in the fall of our life. It's fall. The leaves are blowing off the trees. From bad to worse, Jeff goes, what happened? Tell Grandpa. Grandpa's dying of curiosity. I don't know what he did. He must have did something. Oh, man. Who knows? You just never know. Grandpa's got some cells in up in the 225 area. Above 225, anticipated. They might drive it up there after hours. They got till 8 o'clock tonight to make their options. And Grandpa could be wrong, and we might have reached our high for today. It's possible. What? Nobody knows. Nobody knows for sure. Not even Grandpa. That's a fact. Bear flag in the 5 minute. I'm trying to see if I can turn that into a... We have an absolute buy signal in the 15 and the 1 minute. Pretty quiet today. It's a blustery, quiet day. From bad to worse. That's about as optimistic a statement as I've ever heard. Trying to figure out what that means. 221. She's going back and forth here. Oh, yeah. Buy signal in the 1 minute with a bear flag. Buy signal in the 15 and a buy in the 5. We're getting a little bit of a retracement here. Looks like this 21-day moving average here is going to stop this bust possibly. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Will it? Will it bounce off the 21-day moving average? This line right here, this yellow one where Grandpa's mouse is, that's the 21-day moving average. It should act as support. It should act as support. Will it? Or will it blow right through it? Will it give us the support we're looking for? That is the question. Truthfully, Grandpa would love it if it go down to 214 real quick so we could buy more shares. Even 217 would be nice right now. Yeah, they drove it down to 216 pre-market this morning. Buy signal into 1 minute with a bear flag. Buy signal into 5 minute with a bear flag. Buy signal into 15 minute, 30 minute, the hourly. How high will she go? I don't know. Okay, treasonous trucker. We're going up. Up north, that is. Delivery in Rogers on Thursday. Great day for trading. What is the signal, he wants to know. So he's got a load going to Rogers, Minnesota. Just to the northwest of the cities out there. Well, the signals are a buy in the 1, the 5, the 15, the 30, and the hourly. And we're dipping down right now, bear flags. Big time. We had a new high today of 224.25 area for a new high, and we had a low this morning pre-market of 216. Grandpa nailed the opening price again. The only reason Grandpa can nail the opening price is he starts it at 4 in the morning with the Chinese. That's why. Yeah, we're going down, down, down with bear flags, and we have nothing but buy signals so far. That's all I know about that. Grandpa's hoping to get some more shares in the 217 area today, so I could take the ride back up to 225. I'm anticipating 225 today. That's why I didn't sell my shares at 224. But Grandpa could be wrong. And we're under a golden cross. We have a golden cross, folks. Oh, man. Well, the 21-day moving average did not give us any support whatsoever. It blew through it like it wasn't even there in the 5-minute chart. That's what it did. It just blew right through it. Okay. Yeah, she looks nasty. I mean, look at this. 4 red candles on, and we're in a buy signal in this 5-minute. We're in a buy signal in the 1 minute also, and the 15 and the 30. We have a buy in the 15 with a huge indecision candle. The 1 minute looks like it may be going to give us another buy signal shortly. Too early to tell. Another 5 seconds here. Yep, we have another buy signal in the 1 minute. So it should start inching upward shortly. We literally have a buy in everything, from the 1 minute through the hourly as it goes down. Cheese in his trucker says, I'm buying more shares. The golden cross is in the 5 minute. I'll show it to you. I'm on the 5 minute chart. This is the 5 minute chart here. And we had a golden cross at $219, and it went up to $224.30. So $5.30 on a golden cross is what we've accomplished so far. Now, you know, a golden cross can go up to $23.70 I've seen, and I've seen $15, and I've seen $12, I've seen $1. So that kind of gives you a big range. Yep, she's coming down with buy signals. Oh, wow. She's coming down a little bit here with buy signals. We're getting a bear flag again in the 1 minute. Gives us a buy signal. We've got 3 of them in a row. Well, we did have a sell signal at one point. Then we got a buy signal, and then we got another buy signal. And it just keeps giving us a bear flag afterwards. Huge bear flag in the 5 minute. We have a buy signal in the 15 with big bear flag. Big. By big, I mean a couple dollars. I guess that's not really big. Because this thing can do $5 to $7 retracements with bear flags. So that's just the way it is. Grandpa's looking for an opportunity to buy some shares. That's what Grandpa's looking for. I want to buy more shares. And I will, given the opportunity. 219.35 is the low of the day. So we got about a $5 range. $4.95 from high to low so far. I'd like to see another $8-10 range today. That means we got to break out $3 to the downside or to the upside. Which will it be? That is the question. If we're going to have an $8 range and we only got a 5, that means we're going to go $3 more on the bottom side or the top side. Give me some more on the bottom. I want to get more shares. I see this as a buying opportunity. Jeff goes, I will also. These guys are all buyers. Jeff Mom, 213.78. Buy signal in the 1 minute and 15 minute. She's going down as we go up. Okay, Jeff wants to buy more at 213.78. I'm gonna buy at 214. That's what Grandpa wants to do. Because it's a pretty number. Nothing but buy signals and bear flags. We're going straight up as we move sideways. We're still under this golden cross. This golden cross ain't done yet. The excitement is building as we move sideways into the future. Hey, the indexes are down today. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. So the indexes are down a little. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute. This thing is going straight up the... Oh man, I should have bought more shares when it was down here. Too late now. All it's doing is going straight up with a buy signal in the 1, the 5, the 15, the 30, the hourly. Jeff says, life is good here in Minnesota. Our governor is famous. The weather is great. And Jeff says, it's the Christian thing to do. Well, amen. Yeah, you guys. Your governor is famous, I'll say that. That's all I'll say right now. Buy signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and we're moving straight sideways. We have a bear flag in the 1 minute. Oh man, I don't know. It's enough to drive you crazy. Grandpa's anticipating some upside today, but I'm hoping it would go down, give Grandpa some cheap shares first. But it just doesn't want to cooperate. I'm hoping for a dip, because I'm dippy. Yeah. Yeah, Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes. They got a lot of lakes. I lived there most of my life. Never thought I'd leave. Sure glad I did. I like it up here in the UP. We get 15 feet of snow every year. Almost. Last year we didn't. This year we'll probably get 20 feet. Yeah, 15 feet of snow on the level. Every day Grandpa goes outside. There's another foot of snow on the ground. I ain't kidding. It's crazy. It is just crazy. And then Grandpa's got a shovel. By spring, all I have is a trail with 7 feet of snow on both sides of me to get out the door. And we have a bear flag into 1 minute. This thing is coming down in a quick hurry with the bear flag into 1 minute. Buy signal in the 5, the 15, and the 30. Yeah, the indexes are in the red. They're in the red. The indexes are fighting us today. Tesla's going to outperform today. Hey, I think it's 3 weeks to Election Day. 3 weeks till the big election. Is that correct? Does anybody know? Grandpa and Grandma already voted. We vote and we don't even leave the kitchen table. Grandma takes care of it. I sign my name on the ballot. I make my mark. Grandpa makes his mark on the ballot. That way they know it's me. Yeah. Buy signal in the 1 minute with a massive, I say massive, but it's a $1 bear flag. No big deal. Fluctuating back and forth, $3-4 in this stock ain't nothing. So, would you guys like to do some trivia? Would anybody like to do some trivia? Now, Treason's Trucker, you look like the kind of guy that'd be good at trivia. So if you know of any trivia that you want to do it. You can put it in chat and I'll read it. Jeff says 21 days till the election. He knows stuff, that guy. Yeah, we only had $8.63 from high to low yesterday. And that's all I know about that. Right now, we got a tight range here. 219.35 on the bottom and 224.28 or whatever on the top side. So little under $5 range. That's a tight range. Hope we don't run in that range all day. She should snap. I suppose my coffee got cold again while I was talking nonstop. Oil tumbles following report Israel won't target Iran's crude. Oh, Schwab is making money. Schwab soars on earnings beat as firm pays down costly debt. So Schwab is making money. buy signal in the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute, and the 30 minute, and the hourly. We have nothing but a buy signal as we move sideways. That's what we got. Yeah, Grandpa wanted the dip. I tried to buy the dip this morning, but they won't let me trade till 7 o'clock, and it was pretty hard to watch them down there at 216. I wanted to buy those shares at 216. I'm thinking about getting a Moomoo account. Is it over already, Jeff goes? The excitement of the day? I think we're going to have to wait until later today. I'm anticipating a bounce. Right now, she's going straight down on a bear flag in the 1 minute. It's dropped a whole dollar. We're back down to 220.20. Yeah, it's almost over for the day. Grandpa's about ready to give it up. Cheese and his trucker says I'm buying every time it's close to 220. Well, your opportunity is here again there, Treasons. What excitement. What excitement. We've got 219.35 as the new low. Can we make a new low? I would love to take and make a low. That's what I would love to do. I just love how this thing goes straight down on buy signals. Come on. Come on. Bring her down. Bring her down. Down the bunny trail. Grandpa wants to buy some more. See how far this thing can go down. Trees and his trucker says, now I get to even buy lower. I'm hoping to get a few down here. Oh man, I hope this thing don't go back up right away. Grandpa's wanting more shares. Come on. Bring her down. Yeah, we got 218.35 for a new low. She's bouncing around. It's a battle. It's a battle. Let's see. What do I got for signals? You know, I wonder if I have a sell signal in this 5 minute. We have a buy signal in the 1 minute with a bear flag. We have a buy signal in everything with bear flags. Come on, bear flags. Make our day. Bring her down here. and down the Bundy Trail. Yeah. Bye, bye, bye. It ain't nothing but a buy signal everywhere as we go down. Grandpa's funny. Okay. I got some buys, and all it's got to do is go down there and get them. This is what Grandpa was hoping for. Come on down. She's making a run at it. She's making a run at it. Will it be able to do it? That's the question. That is the $1,000,000 question. I'm going to... Okay, Jeff is done at Super Value, and he says, I'm going to blow this popsicle stand and head to the Petro in St. Cloud. Okay, are you going to have breakfast there? That would always be good. I think you should have, let's see, biscuits and gravy and an egg, pancakes, hash browns with butter on them, bacon, ham, and sausage. What else? He's gonna have pancakes. Well, you gotta have eggs with your pancakes, and you gotta have some sausage. Then they got good food at that place. Yeah, he's going to the Petro over by St. Cloud. He's getting out of the cities. Yipper, come on down. Ah, Grandpa got some shares. Oh boy, she is going down. Down with buy signals. Oh, Grandpa's happy. As happy as Grandpa gets. She's rocking and rolling. That's what she's doing. How low will she go? Come on, keep it going. Jeff says, where should I put a buy in? Well, Grandpa's got to buy it. All I can tell you is what I got. I got 217.75 and 217.25, and I just bought some at 218.25. We have a new low at 218.05. So what's the range now from high to low? What is the range from high to low? 224.25. $6.20. So we've only got $6.20 from high to low currently. We're under a buy signal, and we're going straight down. Come on, give it to us. I'm expecting good things out of this bus. Come on. She's heading for 217.75. It went to 217.90 so far. Yeah, I think if you can snag that 217 to 215 area, I didn't expect this this dip down here. What the world is going on in this? I'm gonna look at the markets. Did a war break out or something? That was a joke. That was a joke. Grandpa's being funny again. Okay. Oh, I wanted to look at the indexes. Oh yeah, they're in the red. The indexes are down. Everything is down. I haven't got a green thing on my whole watch list. Nothing. Absolutely nothing green. 217.90 is the new low. Nvidia's leading the way down. The Nasdaq is dropping quite a bit. S&P is down. The Dow is down. Nvidia is just getting pounded. 130 and dropping. Even Tilray is down. I got more shares. I'm going to move this one down. I just filled at 217.75. How low will she go? I don't know. We don't even have a sell signal. That's the craziest part. She is coming down. It just does whatever it wants. Yeah, we have sells. Yeah, Nvidia is just getting pounded. It's down to 128. Man. 217.50, new low. I'm looking in I wish I could see a sell signal somewhere, but I don't. Aha! We have a sell signal in the 30-minute. Oh boy. Let's look at the hourly. Not yet. But we do in the 30-minute. Oh man, we're getting a buy signal in the 1 minute. That's nasty. Yeah, we're getting a... Looks like we're going to get one too. What did I buy it the last time? Yeah, I'm going to try snag some more at 217.50. I'm going to try, I got some at 217.75. I think we're going to maybe go the other way for a while today. So I'm going to try to get some more at 217.50. We had a low at 217.15. And we've got another buy signal in 1 minute. I think we're going to turn the page here. Yeah, anywhere in here is a buying opportunity in Grandpa's opinion. So I'm anticipating the 220 range on and off throughout the rest of this week. You know, the 222 to 225 area on the top side. So that would be a nice opportunity to get rid of some shares. She is going straight up as it moves sideways. Nothing but buy signals and red candles. Hey, I'm going to ring the bell. Oh boy, what's that mean? That means that all the indexes are in the red. NVIDIA's just going in the toilet. It's getting pounded. She is nasty out there today. Something must have happened. Something must have happened in the real world. You know, did something happen? Anybody know? Does anybody know anything? Pancakes and eggs and sausage. You can't eat pancakes without sausage. You know, there's nothing better than really good sausage. Really good sausage is good with pancakes and eggs. I wish Grandma would make me some pancakes. Grandma don't like cooking. Yeah, she's going up today. Oh boy, I tell you what, this thing is off to the races. She is just whistling Dixie on its way to the Mars, the moon. Yeah, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Every day is an opportunity in Tesla. Every day. Every day's an opportunity. Let's see now. Let's calculate here. We're going to calculate. How high is it from the high to the low? We're still in a golden cross. We are still, that golden cross is still in effect. And she is just skyrocketing upward. Why, it's gone up almost $1. This thing is flying. The excitement is overwhelming. That is a fact. The excitement is almost overwhelming. Well, I got a little bit of shares more. I would have got more, but Grandpa moved his deal. Should never second guess myself. Every time I do, I regret it. Seriously. That is a fact. Yeah, she's looking a little bit more bullish today, I'll tell you. They're going to hype this thing up. They'll have you believing it's going to 271. Even Grandpa will start telling you that he sees 271 in your future. And everybody will get on the bandwagon up there at 260 area, high 250s, going long, and they'll pull the plug. And we'll all get stuck up there again. And they do the same thing over and over and over to us. And we just let them. Why do we? Because we enjoy the excitement. It's a challenge. We enjoy the challenge of the challenge. Yeah, the indexes are down, the NVIDIA's down, everything is down. How low will it go? I don't know. I do not know. I'll tell you what I do know. You can expect the unexpected with Tesla. You can expect the unexpected. Yeah. Yep, the indexes are down, and so is the Dow. Yeah. It's called a healthy retracement. 21 days to the election. Okay, breaking news. Breaking news. Pay attention. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute. Get ready to buy some sheep shares. Sheep shares. Sell signal into 1 minute. Buy signal into 5. Sell signal into 30. Buy signal into 15 with massive red candles. She's coming back down. The 1 minute's a sell signal. She's gonna, how low will it go? Oh, Grandpa's gonna move his deal again. I'm gonna, yep, I am gonna move it. I'm gonna move it down here to 217.25. I'm gonna buy the WICK. See this WICK in the 5 minute chart? Right here. Grandpa wants to buy the bottom edge of that WICK at 217.25. Will I get it? I don't know. I hope I get it. Because Grandpa's crazy. Oh, I'm crazy. Oh, I'm going to ring the bell. You know why I'm going to ring the bell? I miss DLA. He's always working for a living. He's got to buy diapers for them little ones. Model Y and Model S. And we're under a sell signal in 1 minute. Grandpa's got to go get hot coffee. Is anybody paying any attention to Grandpa? I hope not. We're getting a bull flag in the 1 minute. You know what? I think it's time for Grandpa to give it up anyway here. I've been irritating enough today. Grandpa's been irritating today. We have a sell signal in the 1 minute with a bull flag. We have a buy signal in the 5, the 15. We have a sell in the 30. That's where we're at. Okay, so good luck, everyone. And Grandpa will be back about 6:30, Lord willing, and I will give you the opening price for Wednesday. Where are we going to open on Wednesday? Keep in mind, Grandpa's anticipating a close in the 224 range today. Grandpa's never been right guessing the closing price ever. Not even once. So, odds are I might be right this time. Yeah, I'm anticipating actually closing up around that 224 area today. But anyway, I'll be back about 6:30. We'll do the opening. We'll talk about divergence. We'll do the high range, the low range. Oh boy, we're going to do it. Oh, we'll talk about the dominant trend, which is currently still down. I will tell you this. If we get a green if by tomorrow afternoon, if we have a green candle in the daily, the dominant trend will be up. But we won't know until Wednesday late afternoon, about 3:30 Eastern time. But yeah, we have potential. We have the potential of reversing our deal. And if we do, that might mean that the 213.78 is our new bottom pivot point. And we're not going to know. I probably wouldn't know on that till Thursday, but because you got to have quite a bit of data before you can calculate that all out. And you're dealing with a guy that can't even add and subtract in his head. But I use paper and pencil, then I can. That's how Grandpa does it. Oh, I was going to quit my live stream. Okay, we're moving sideways. You're in a sideways range here. I'll show you the 1 minute, and you can see your sideways range in case you want to scalp. We're moving from 219.30 on the top side to 218.30 on the bottom side. 218.30 on the bottom side, 219.30 on the top side. $1 range, straight sideways. See you tonight. Hey, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does.